Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So, to get started, you want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you've either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. Right here where the pin is holding. You want to push it in. There we go. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for just a single SIM card. And you can place it only in one way, which, if I'm correct, would be not this way. Oh, there we go. That's how you place it. Now it is upside down, so if you have your phone unfolded right now, like so, card would be going back in like so. There we go. Once the card is inserted all the way, it should automatically start working, hence why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card PIN. And when done so, it unlocks the card and it should connect to your network and obviously start working. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.